Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, Jaya.
Yeah.
It seems I was not recording the session. Now I am recording. I don't know.
It
Okay.
was not recording
So
all these.
I recorded earlier sessions. For today's
Oh.
session, I think I recorded only few things. Okay. No problem. Okay. So I am setting the error. Okay. I am setting the error. On the set error, there is one more thing called control. So where do you need to set this error? The control. That control is this text employee names property. This property.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is why when I do start, okay, when I click on validate, see, because this is empty, it is giving employee name can't be empty error.
Okay.
What if I have some data here and then check validate? I need to redo this one. I have something here and then I did validate. See, nothing has happened. I don't have anything. I clicked on validate. See, it has shown the error. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So
But there is
now
no
the next,
message, right? Why the message
there
is
is no
not coming?
message.
Employer name can't be empty, right?
So error provider,
Yeah.
it just sets the error. It just gives that error message in red. Okay. And then it won't display the error message until you hover the mouse there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You got it, right? So now you can have a message box here.
Yes. Yeah.
You can have a message box there, and then next
But if
I'm
you
going
mouse
to,
over, can you show me? Can you run this and show me if you mouse over on that object? Is that that error is whatever you have displayed there? Is showing now? Oh, okay.
that is what I given here.
Okay. That's what.
Okay.
Excuse me.
So the next thing is add label. I'll tell you what. Huh?
But if you want to validate each thing, label everything, each property, like you have to create so many. I mean, for every property, you create like this.
Which one?
For each property, if you want to check, we just check for employee name, right? What about the next
Yes.
field? So for every
I'm
property,
going.
you have
Yes, you need to validate everything.
oh,
That is how you do in UA path as well, right? You validate something and then next flow, next you do something, next flow.
but it is not so tedious like this. Like for everything, you have to put so many things, like so many actions. You have built in this thing functions. You just drag and drop.
So this is also your just drag and drop, right? Once you
Yeah,
know,
creating.
what to do, you just drag and drop.
Okay.
This is how you do in Blue Prism as well.
Mm-hmm.
So there is one more called label. Okay. So I removed this label. Okay. So here is called add label. So this label is used to fragment or like divide the automation into readable format or divide the automation into different functions. So I'll say, so gender, okay, and then when I see here, so jump to gender. So when it is false, that means it has some data. Okay, when it has some data, I'm just jumping it to gender. Okay, on gender, what I am doing is I'll check whether this male is checked. Okay,
Can you just re-show it from the gender thing, like you created?
this one I remove this one. See here, add label. Okay,
Okay.
I added a label. This label as gender is the label. Okay, as soon as I create a label, it says jump to. Okay, jump to gender. On false, I'll ask that to jump to this one. What do you mean by false? That means it has some data. It has some data. Yeah. So then go for the next set of validation, that is gender validation. On the gender, what I need to validate? I need to validate whether either one of these are checked. Either male or female is checked. Okay. Go to the T, and then this is checked. Checked. Okay. Gender, this is checked. If that is checked, then what I need to do?
If this is other checked, thing should be false. Should be unchecked.
Yes, other thing should be unchecked. So for female, I'll also add checked.
But here so you add true and that is.
If this is checked, and then if this is also checked, I'll throw an error message. Okay. So that means the control comes here. It says like if it is checked, and then if it is also checked, then what I'll do? I'll throw an error message. Set error. Please select only one. Okay. And then where the control has to reach, it has to reach either male or female, doesn't matter. Okay. So I'll need to check this property. Okay. So the control has to reach to this property. Okay. So what if male is false? Okay. What if male is false? And then female is also false?
So nothing is checked, right?
Nothing is selected, right? Okay. So then I'll copy and then paste this one. I'll say so male is false, will come here, and then female is also false, then female is a false, then
and again you have to set this thing, right? Why?
I'll select error. I'll say.
So this error provider you're taking from the toolbox.
Yeah.
Or it is not from. Is it the same error provider which you have put it in the global container, right? No.
Yes, that is the error provider I have put on the global container. For the error provider, I have
you're using the same error provider from the object.
Yes.
Yeah, but you selecting that from the object only once. The same error provider you're selecting from object.
Yes, I'm just copying and pasting it, and so that I'm just changing the error message. Okay, I'll copy and paste this one. The control has to reach this one. Okay, so now, so both are, one is true and so one is true and then second one is false. Okay, that means male is selected and female is not selected. Then I need to go to the another validation. Okay, what is another validation? I'll add another label.
One more label and jump to, right? So it has
that
to...
is Anji languages. Okay.
Okay.
I'll do, where is that? I'll do jump to languages. So when this is true, okay, and this is false, that means that is a valid scenario. Then I'll say jump to languages. Okay. You got it? And next one is when this is false and this is true. This is true. Okay. This is false and then this is true. So then I'll say another jump to languages. Okay. Done.
But here only you have one this thing, right? Jump to languages, like
here and then here. So if
but
male
there
is
you have
checked,
two controls, right? Yeah.
where two controls? Where two controls?
Okay. Okay.
You got it now?
No, this is a bit confused. No. Can you explain
See,
that?
I have male as checked. Okay, male as checked, and then female is not checked. That means either of these two, only one is checked. One out of these is checked. That means I am going to validate the languages.
Okay.
Okay, and then second scenario.
Yeah.
So first one is false, and then second one is true. That is a valid scenario. Languages. So if nothing is checked, so this is false, and then this is false, then error.
Error. Yeah.
This is true.
That is true.
And then this is true. Error. Okay.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, both are true, error, both are false, error. One is checked, can jump to languages. Okay.
Yeah.
So next is on the languages. I'll say English. There is, this one is checked. So this is checked. And this is checked. And English and Spanish, if this is also checked. If both are checked. If both are checked, that is fine. What if both are not checked? Nothing is checked. Sorry, I'll say I'll add only invalid condition. If this is false, and then if the other one is also false, yeah, if the other one is also false, then I'll show the error. Select the language. Okay. So the control has to reach to where this control has to reach to this property. Okay, it has reached to this property. So now you are done. Okay, all the validations are done, right? Hello? Language validation is done, gender validation is done, and then initial text validation is done. I'm going to build the project. Why is so many joins and non-joins? Hello? I don't know who is joining and dropping.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, okay. See, again, I'll start this one. See, I'll add employee name, something. I'll say validate. See here, it has given something. I'll add this one. See, given this one.
Sorry?
Okay. Sorry, I'll show you one more time.
Yeah.
Build solution. Start. I have added this one. Okay. I clicked on validate. See, it has given error message here. I clicked on mail. I clicked on validate again. It has given error message here. Okay. I clicked on this one. Nothing. Okay.
Okay.
So now, so from the error provider, I'll say clear.
From the error provider, there is a method called clear.
Yeah, clear. I would say this one, and then copy and use this one. That means I am clearing all the errors. Okay. Build the solution, and then I'll start this session. I'll say validate. Click on this one. I'll say validate. Validate. Say this one. I'll say validate. Okay. And then I'll say uncheck this one. It has created this here. Okay. I clicked here, and then I deleted here. So it has checked here. So I need to give it here. It has created here. Okay. Now you got it. How to break your automation into different parts based on the labels, and then how to call the labels, and then how to validate the front end screens using checkboxes and radio buttons and then panels.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll see another thing. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Anji.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Bye.